Hey everybody, it's Colby from Shop and Confess. So, we're looking at some running boards that I got off of Amazon, these Clamber, from my 2500 Ram crew cab short box. So, that's the running board. And here is the hardware. It's pretty simple. 3 packages, bolts, nuts, clamps, and the brackets that go on. So, we're going to make a quick little video about how this bolts together, so stand by. Okay, so as you can see, we're starting to lay out our hardware. So it comes with brackets, and as you can see, these are clearly labeled as driver front, driver center, driver rear, passenger front, passenger center, and passenger rear, with all our hardware laid out here. So we're going to go ahead and get this squared away, and then we'll film it putting in the brackets. Okay everybody, so here we are. You can see right here, this is an attachment handle, basically like on a bar. This is just meant to be as a guide, and they give you a little plastic keeper that goes around the thread, this plastic tab right here. And it basically just goes around this right here and locks that in place. And you can see that the Rams already have pre-drilled holes. So basically that gives you your guide, and then you basically, it has a nut on the other side of it, and you take your bolt and put it in there, and that's the upper bracket that holds it here to the frame. Now this piece right here is kind of like a keeper, and it provides more support. So down here along the frame, on the seam right here, there's 2 pre-drilled holes, and you would put these 2 nuts and bolts through, and that would give you this base plate right here. And then right here, these are the 2 holes that actually mount to your frame bar right there. So we're going to go ahead and put the rest of these in place and get that knocked out, and then we'll keep recording when we're getting ready to put the frame bar on, or the step bar on itself. Okay everybody, so there's the finished product. You can see it on the truck. Looks really clean. I love these black inlays. So sorry I didn't get to film more, but when you're kind of doing this yourself, it's a little bit of a chore. So once you get the brackets on and everything, the outer pieces right here, this is where it bolts to the frame. It's 2 simple bolts. If you have pre-drilled holes in your Ram, Ford, or Chevy, it'll be real quick. So they seem to hold up really good. I've stood on them. I weigh 270 pounds, and they seem to hold me up just fine.